Welcome back to the Mercury Minute. Season 1 was all about cybersecurity, AES, TLS, Secure Boot. But there's one topic that we didn't get to, and that's OSDP, Open Supervised Device Protocol. To me, this is the single most important step that you can take to secure your environment. OSDP encrypts the communication between your reader and controller so that bad actors can't perform replay attacks, gain access to your facility, or move laterally across your network. Don't let access control be the reason for your next cyber breach. It'll be a really bad day if you do. OSDP also adds tamper notifications, line supervision, and the ability to update reader configuration and firmware remotely. So head over to my YouTube channel, The Mercury Minute, to see why you need to move to OSDP Secure Channel. There's a full episode over there explaining that Wiegand can be hacked in seconds with a $79 tool that anybody can buy online. And while you're over there, make sure you like and subscribe as well. That's the Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See y'all next time.